I'm nosy. Money Green, take care. Circle K, 5 watt money order. Is working. 131, local boy plugging your ears, man. Hey, 131, local boy plugging your ears, man. To Keo 131, keep back up, talking down under, man. But anyway, man, take care. Hey, Money Green, I gotta head back to the kitchen. Put on your lid out, low through the 3. I'll see if I can clear it up a little bit if I can. Going again. I ain't got much in order yet, but you're right about now, so I guess you got a whole lot of noise in your area. Better see if I can keep it down. 131. Big C, you gotta drop this great big load at 131, the big bass grid to go. Yeah, hello, 131, 750. See, I'll put a bit of rumble in your headphones if I can. 131, 750, going again. This thing never moves, man. This antenna just hit the right spot. Yeah, man. 131. Hey, 131. I hope he's got those long, because I've got a skull gun right here, right about there. So you want to know that? So you know, it's more than 3 away with it. 1, 2, 3, down. All the rumble in your headphones and a whole lot of tucking to go with it. Hey, 131, appreciate you get back. 750, gone again. 131, 750, gone again. Mother Nature's fading out, Crazy Larry. Mother Nature's fading out, that rascal in the high desert, he's swinging from 3 to 5 pounds, and he barely got in there with 3 the last time. The water running in the sinks. Crazy Larry, the big boss around the whole town. I'm gone now.
day. Bye-bye.
Forward on. They 131. At 131, mate, you 131. Hope you're enjoying your Saturday night. The long haul down under, that's true, man. At 131, you bring it.
131, I've done it.
Across the border. Hey, 131, look at it.
I'll come back again. 131, I'll come back again.
750 gone. The biggest sound in town, just up there. 175 euro with all the mids and high